You'll probably walk past one without thinking twice. Bright lighting, cute products, clean packaging. Everything looks Japanese but surprisingly cheap. That brand is MINISO. In just over a decade, MINISO exploded into thousands of stores worldwide, selling everything from phone chargers to plush toys, and becoming one of the fastest growing lifestyle retailers on the planet. But behind the MINISO aesthetics is a story filled with controversy, confusion, and also clever branding. So today we're breaking down who MINISO really is, how they grew so fast, the scandal that followed, and what the future holds in their brand. Who is MINISO? MINISO was founded in 2013 by Yi Go-fu alongside a Japanese designer called Miyuki Jr. Despite what many customers believe, MINISO is not a Japanese company. It was founded and headquartered in China. However, MINISO deliberately leaned on the Japanese branding, Japanese style store design, Japanese product names, minimalist packaging, and also early marketing that implied Japanese origin. And for a time, this strategy worked, especially in Western and emerging markets, where Japanese design is associated with quality, simplicity, and trust. So, how did MINISO become so big? Well, MINISO followed a simple but powerful formula. Number one was cheap and trend-driven products. MINISO sells everyday items with high visual appeal and low production costs. Cosmetics, homeware, electronics accessories, stationery, toys. Most products are priced to encourage impulse buying. Number two was rapid store expansion. MINISO expanded aggressively using the franchise-style model to align rapid global growth with limited risk to the parent company. At its peak, MINISO had 5,000 stores across 100 countries worldwide. Number three was pop culture collaborations. MINISO partnered with major IPs such as Disney, Marvel, Sanrio, and Pokemon. These collaborations turned basic products into collectibles, driving foot traffic and also social media buzz. Lastly was perfect mall placement. MINISO stores are usually placed in shopping malls, tourist areas, and busy city centers. This gives them constant visibility and a steady footfall as well. However, as MINISO grew and became bigger, there was branding confusion. Questions began to surface, such as many customers believed that MINISO was Japanese, products were designed or made in Japan, and the brand followed Japanese retail standards. In reality, MINISO is Chinese, mostly manufactured in China, and the Japanese aesthetics was largely market driven. This sparked criticism that MINISO was intentionally misleading customers. In 2018, Chinese state media criticized MINISO for overemphasizing Japanese branding, using Japanese language prominently, and allowing misconceptions about its origins. MINISO later clarified its Chinese ownership, but by then, the brand identity had already been set. Product quality and legal issues. MINISO also faced product-related controversies in multiple countries. Some reported issues that included low-quality cosmetics, incorrect labeling, safety concerns over electronic items, and also, in some cases, products were pulled from shelves, investigated by regulators, and criticized by consumer watchdogs. There were also legal disputes over design's similarities to other brands, trademark issues in international markets. While none of these scandals fully derailed MINISO, they damaged its reputations in some regions, particularly among those that are more informed customers. MINISO's financial success and IPO. So, despite these controversies, MINISO's growth continued. The company expanded aggressively overseas, increased margins through licensing deals, focused heavily on IP-based products. And in 2020, MINISO went public on the New York Stock Exchange, raising global visibility and investor interest as well. This move marked MINISO's transition from discount retailer to a global consumer brand. So what's next for MINISO? MINISO's future depends on one key question. Can it move beyond cheap and cute? Current strategies include premium IP collaborations, more original product designs, fewer but higher quality stores, and expansion into lifestyle branding rather than just pure discount retail. However, competition is rising fast from local discount chains, online marketplaces, and private label brands with stronger quality control. If MINISO can improve trust, quality while maintaining affordability, it may evolve into a long-term global brand. If not, it risks being remembered as the trend retailer. Popular, profitable, but temporary. MINISO's story is a lesson of modern retail power. It shows how branding can outperform origin, speed can beat perfection, and global expansion can happen faster than reputation management. MINISO just didn't sell products, it sold aesthetics, feeling, and illusion of simplicity. Whether it becomes the next IKEA or another fast retail brand that fades, that's the real story still being written. Thanks for listening, and if you like more videos like this, then click like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.